Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, this week on Cooking with Corey, we're doing a collab with Papa Texas. Doing some emails with Papa Texas, and he says he wanted to do an Italian stuffed mushroom. That's what I'm going to do. I don't know, he might change his mind and done something else. But we are doing a collab with Papa Texas. His information will be down in the description. I'll give him several iCards on top, and I'll show you a print of his channel here soon. Anyway, for ingredients today, we got some shredded Parmesan, some Italian fusion, Italian seasoning. We got a pound of Italian sausage. We got some marinara. We got some basil. And we got some Portobello mushrooms, which we'll take the gills out of those. We'll get started next. Don't forget to go check out Papa Texas over there. See what he did after you watch what I did. Alright, let's get the gills out of these, and it's quite simple. You just want to pull this out right there. Just get you a spoon and they'll come right out for you. See that? Nice and easy. Try not to break your mushroom. Get your gills out of there and we'll begin the stuffing process. Alright, don't forget to go check out Papa Texas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to his channel. All his videos. It's a great channel. There's a lot of great work over there. Like I said, be down in the description. I'll give him plenty of iCards on top. Here we go. Let's get started on our Italian stuffed portobello mushrooms. We're going to take our Italian fusion, or you can use any Italian seasoning you got. This has got salt in it, so get a little bit at the bottom there, like so. Got to have it all seasoned up nicely. And we'll take a little bit of our marinara. Just a little bit of that at the bottom. And get it all around in your mushroom. Then some basil. You can definitely take this and cut it down into shreds. I might do that for the top here when we top this off later. Anyway, get your basil in there. Like so. A little bit of your Parmesan cheese. Right there. Now we'll break open the Italian sausage and get that stuffed in there next. Okay, we made it this far, looking good. Doesn't that look good? Just give it a little bit more Italian seasoning in there. Right on top like so. And take your Italian sausage. I'm just going to show you one. I'm obviously going to do all three. I do got the Traeger back there. We're going to roll at 300, 350, get these done. What I want to do is make you a little patty out of your Italian sausage, just to kind of get in there. Now be careful here, because you don't want to be busting your mushroom all up, and that can happen quickly. There we go. Look at that. All right, let's hit the Traeger. All right, here we are at the Traeger. We're actually going to run 325. Get your little stuffed portobellos, Italian style, on there. Don't those look great, Papa Texas? Oh my Lord, looking absolutely delicious. All right, let's get them on there, and we'll go close the lid, let them smoke off about 15 minutes, and we'll come check them. All right, we're about 15 minutes in, and they are looking delicious. All right, probably give them 5-10 more minutes, and we'll get a probe and see where that sausage is at. We'll go from there. It's looking good in the neighborhood. All right, we're about 20 minutes in here. Let's see where we're at here. Back here in this one. 38, 40. All right, so we're just about 143, 145. We can check the rest of them. That's about where we are. So I'm going to give these probably 5 more minutes, and we're going to top them. We're going to go from there. We're going to eat like kings today. All right, folks, time to get these bad boys topped off. Once again, don't forget to go check out Papa Texas and see what he's doing over here with his stuffed mushrooms on his channel. Anyway, we're going to put a little marinara on top of these bad boys like so. Get around here and get the other side here. There you go. Don't be shy. It's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood. I did julienne some basil, so we will put julienne basil on there, like so. And obviously, we need cheese. So we're going to top this off with some more Parmesan cheese, like so. old glob of it on there. Papa Texas, I know you like a big old glob of cheese over there. There you go. Make those Texas style for Papa Texas right there. Alright, let down. Just melt. Then we'll see you over at the board and we will do some heat. Alright folks, here's our finished product. Looking delicious. Let's get them off here. Gotta be careful. That bottom's squishy mushroom. Just be careful while you're doing this. Get them all off there. Like so. Let's go plate. Yeah, we did. Alright, Papa Texas, what do you think? Is that an Italian stuffed mushroom or is that an Italian stuffed mushroom? Alright, let's get in this bad boy. See how we did. Obviously, got to get some mushroom in there. There's our mushroom. Mushroom. Oops, maybe. Come here, mushroom. Our Italian sausage. Oh, I'm good. That's some good eating, folks. Go ahead. Take this recipe, make it your own. A little spicy for that marinara. Nice. A little basil in there. Delicious. Don't forget to go check out Papa Texas and Papa Texas version of stuffed mushroom. I'm sure his is going to be absolutely delicious also. Thanks again, folks. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.